Okay guys, here we are again. Newcastle, 610. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses of interest. Make sure you use your graph here to keep an eye on all the horses, because you can't see them all on your screen. If you want to learn to trade the way I do, in a safe and simple manner, then check out the link in the description. So right now I'll pop in a speculative trade here on the third favourite. I'm thinking this might come back in past the 6 here, okay? Because the favourite is looking pretty weak, and I think it might be drifting out. And I will... Oh, there's a big stake there on this favourite, you can see. And I'll put a scalping trade here because that will act as a buffer. If it's genuine and it sits there, then this will act as a buffer and I should be able to scalp this out if it gets taken. I'll just hover that over here just in case that £2 disappears quickly. There we go, it's a nice easy 50p. So my position here is not really doing much at all. But you can see the second favourite and the favourite are both drifting out, which is good. Now I'm just keeping an eye on the other horses to see if there's any movement. But as you can see, the third favourite is coming in, which is very good. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Pop in a little trade there. Another one there. I don't know how far it's going to go. I'm just going to take the profit, to be honest. And as you can see, a £2.80 profit from just 2 simple trades. Very predictable, very safe. And if you want to learn to trade like this, then you should click on the link below and you'll be taken to the best training course, in my opinion, that you can train how to trade on Betfair. But for now, I'll keep trading. Still 2 minutes to go. Now, you have to consider, will this continue? This one has drifted out from 6.8 all the way out here. Favourites coming in. These ones are quite tricky because there are so many horses that you can see they're all bouncing off each other, and it's quite difficult sometimes to keep track of what's happening. So you can see this one here is about to cross back over the 6 mark. So this is a very nice spot to lay it. But I can't say with any great deal of confidence that's going to happen. I'm quite tempted to back the second favourite here just because it's such a high price now. Well, I'll see if I can scalp out a quick little one here. So if the scalp doesn't go any favour, just drag your exit point back down. If you take a small loss, it's okay. I'm quite confident that this will get scratched out here. So you can see I should have entered there at 5.9. I hesitated because I just hesitated. But as you can see, it's gone above 6 now. But obviously at this point, I won't chase this price up, okay? I'm just going to accept that I didn't act when I should have. And it's not a big deal because I know the next time I will act. So I'm just going to add another trade there because I'm pretty confident that this will bounce back up. Yeah. Just need to come up one little tick to touch that. That'll be nice. That'll be lovely if that happens. You can see the horses are starting to make their way down to the stalls. I'm fairly confident that these two will be taken. But they are starting to load now, so I might just have to move this one down here just to try and hurry things along. It does look like this is going to stall here for a few minutes. I don't really have much time left. They're starting to load now as well, so I'll just try and scratch this out here for a small profit. You can see that this one here has drifted all the way out now. It's quite a tempting place to do a quick little scalp if I can. The only problem by scalping at this point after the due off time is that the liquidity drops, because most punters, most of the people who, people have stopped trading or stopped betting on them, so the liquidity drops off. So the fill rate is very, very low, as you can see. And they are starting to load now, so I'll need to just scratch this off here. There we go. Okay, so a nice £3.58 profit. And as you saw, it's very controlled, very easy. Once you know what triggers to look for, once you know what your edge is, you can sit and trade like this all day. And even when you get it wrong, and you will get it wrong, you know that your next 3 or 4 trades, you're very likely to get them right. So as long as you control how much you lose, overall, over the whole day, you will win 8 out of 10 races. And you will make a nice profit. So if you want to learn to trade the way I do, then click the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next race.